Performance audit naman, ano, objective examination of the financial statement and operation performance of all organization, program, activity, or function, and is oriented towards opportunities for greater economy, efficiency, and effectiveness. Economy and efficiency audit, also known as management audit. This is the appraisal of the management performance from least cost point of view and the analysis of cost-benefit relationship. Effectiveness audit, also known as program results audit. This is the evaluation of programs, projects, and activities to determine the extent of the achievement of previously set goals and objective. Alam nyo sa sa COA, Commission Audit, hindi lang basta sila nag-audit ng financial statement. They are still also doing what we call performance audit. Kine-check nila, kunyari, isang government agency, or let's say, government agency, meron silang budget, tine-check din nila kung kung nagamit ba yung budget na yan. Kasi ang budget po na yan is na-allot sa isang government agency para sa ikabubuti ng ekonomiya. Kung may mga government agency na hindi nila nagamit yung budget nila because of katamaran, or they decided not to push with the project, this is part of the points against them, and also yung pagtitipid or yung efficiency. Kaya nga may mga audit, maraming COA mga reports, or may mga scandals ako na ang COA ng pinanggagalingan ng mga report. May mga government government agency na overspending, or mukhang may mga patong, Kasi for example, they bought something, laptop for example, titignan din ng ng tawag dito ng COA kung ito bang mga laptop na to is yung presyo tama sa merkado, hindi ba sila overpriced. Tinitingnan din ng COA yan, yung mga presyo ng mga binibili ng mga government agency, kahit ano pa yan, kahit local government unit, let's say mga mayor, kasi doon nakikita yung corruption, and tulad ng example, yung ghost employee sa Davao, yung panahon ni Sara Duterte and even his father, tinitingnan nila yung mga documentation. Kasi even myself, nagpagtrabaho din naman tayo sa government, kahit part-time lang sa CCA, When I applied sa CCA, they will check for my medical reports, medical records. They will ask for my yung aking PRC license, yung aking diploma, aking mga transcript of records. Kahit sabihin mo na part-timer lang tayo, I have to provide full records of my credentials, Ngayon, kinukompile yan ng gobyerno ng Angeles City through the City Hall. Si Mayor Lasatin is very stricto siya sa ganyan. Kaya I think now maybe wala talagang corruption in terms of wala naman siguro mga ghost employees sa Angeles City, because kaming mga part-timer sa CCA, we provide complete documentation. Ngayon, ano bang issue sa Davao, Marami silang mga part-timers, walang documentation. You cannot even know if these people, 11,000 of them, are actually real human being. Kapag walang proper documentation, yun dumalabas na tinatawag natin mga ghost employee. Kasi ghost employee are not existing people, or maybe already dead, but they are part of the payroll. Kasi kami, kahit part-time kami, every month we have our salary. So galing po yan sa gobyerno, yung pangpasahod na yan. So making sure dapat na yung lahat ng sumasahod ay totoo talagang nagtatrabaho. Just imagine kung nagpapasahod ang gobyerno ng mga taong hindi naman talaga nag-exist or nag-work. That is really very bad for the economy and for the country. Now, the objective and scope of financial statement audit, The objective of an audit of financial statement is the expression of opinion on the fairness of such financial statement. Sabi nga natin, ang pinaka-importante dyan yung opinion. Bakit ba may opinion? Kasi yun yung kung ano yung parang masasabi ng auditor regarding the audited financial statement. Kung tayo meron tayong opinion sa bagay-bagay, tingin natin hindi importante yung opinion. Pero when it comes to audit, opinion is very important, because doon malalaman ng isang kumpanya, bumibili sa isang kumpanya or ng gobyerno or sino mang gumagamit ng mga financial statement, if yung ginagamit din ng financial statement are accurate, and fairly presented. That is why an audit opinion is needed